Mexico is a land of endless possibilities, where vibrant traditions meet breathtaking landscapes. From ancient ruins to modern cities, stunning coastlines to dramatic mountains, this country has something for everyone. Whether you're looking for an adventure, a cultural experience, or just some time to relax by the beach, Mexico offers an unforgettable journey filled with surprises at every turn. Ready to explore the heart of this incredible nation? Let's dive into the top 10 places you must visit. 1. Mexico City. The bustling capital of Mexico, Mexico City, is a fascinating mix of history and modernity. Begin your journey at the iconic Zocalo, one of the largest public squares in the world, surrounded by historic colonial buildings. A visit to the National Museum of Anthropology reveals a treasure trove of artifacts from the Aztec and Mayan civilizations. For a peaceful escape, head to Chapultepec Park, a sprawling green oasis with a magnificent castle offering panoramic city views. Don't forget Xochimilco, where colorful boats glide along serene canals, providing a glimpse into the city's vibrant traditions. This energetic metropolis is a cultural and culinary powerhouse that never fails to impress. 2. Cancun and Riviera Maya. Famous for its stunning beaches, Cancun is a dream destination for relaxation and adventure. Just south of Cancun lies the Riviera Maya, home to charming coastal towns like Playa del Carmen and Tulum. Tulum offers a unique combination of pristine beaches and Mayan ruins perched dramatically on cliffs overlooking the sea. For underwater enthusiasts, the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef provides vibrant marine life and unforgettable diving experiences. Dive into cenotes, natural sinkholes filled with crystal-clear waters for a refreshing and adventurous escape. Whether you're soaking up the sun or exploring the treasures of the Yucatan Peninsula, this region promises a perfect getaway. 3. Chichen Itza. One of the new seven wonders of the world, Chichen Itza is a must-visit site that reveals the grandeur of the ancient Mayan civilization. Located in the Yucatan Peninsula, this archaeological marvel is home to El Castillo, a pyramid with a remarkable connection to the Mayan calendar. As you explore the area, discover structures like the Great Ball Court and the sacred cenote, each holding stories of ritual and history. Visiting early in the morning or during sunset adds a special magic to your experience, making it even more memorable. 4. Oaxaca. Oaxaca is a city that captures the heart with its vibrant culture and rich traditions. Wander through bustling markets filled with handcrafted goods like textiles, pottery, and mezcal. Don't miss Monte Alban, an ancient Zapotec city with breathtaking views and fascinating ruins. Oaxaca's Day of the Dead celebrations are legendary, showcasing colorful altars, traditional foods, and heartfelt tributes to loved ones. Food lovers will also enjoy sampling local specialties like mole, tlayudas, and even chapulines, toasted grasshoppers. Oaxaca is a city that stays with you long after you've left. 5. Copper Canyon. Copper Canyon, located in Chihuahua, is a natural wonder that rivals the Grand Canyon in beauty and scale. Explore this vast network of 6 interconnected canyons by taking a ride on El Chepe, a scenic train journey that offers stunning views of towering cliffs and lush valleys. Adventure seekers can enjoy activities like hiking, zip-lining, and mountain biking. The indigenous Raramuri people, known for their long-distance running skills, call this area home, adding a fascinating cultural element to your visit. Copper Canyon is an unforgettable destination for those seeking both natural beauty and adventure. 6. Guadalajara. As the birthplace of mariachi music and tequila, Guadalajara is a city that embodies the spirit of Mexico. Visit its historic center to see landmarks like the Guadalajara Cathedral and Hospicio Cabañas, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with stunning murals. Nearby, the town of Tequila offers tours of distilleries where you can learn about Mexico's iconic spirit and enjoy tastings. Guadalajara's vibrant art scene, lively festivals, and buzzing nightlife make it a city full of life and excitement. 7. Puerto Vallarta. Nestled on Mexico's Pacific coast, Puerto Vallarta offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural charm. Stroll along the Malecón, a seaside promenade lined with sculptures, shops, and restaurants. The surrounding Sierra Madre Mountains provide opportunities for hiking and zip-lining, while the crystal-clear waters are perfect for snorkeling and kayaking. Puerto Vallarta's warm hospitality and breathtaking sunsets make it a destination you'll want to return to again and again. 8. Puebla. Known for its colonial architecture and culinary delights, Puebla is a city rich in charm and history. Visit the ornate Puebla Cathedral and the colorful streets of the historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Puebla is also the birthplace of mole poblano, a flavorful sauce that's a staple of Mexican cuisine. Just outside the city, Cholula's Great Pyramid offers stunning views and a fascinating glimpse into pre-Hispanic history. Puebla is a feast for the senses and a must-visit destination. 9. Tulum. Tulum's blend of natural beauty and ancient history makes it one of Mexico's most enchanting destinations. Explore the Mayan ruins that overlook turquoise waters, then relax on the white sandy beaches. The area's cenotes offer a refreshing escape and a chance to experience a unique natural phenomenon. Tulum also embraces sustainability, with eco-friendly resorts and organic dining options that align with its tranquil vibe. It's a place where you can unwind and reconnect with nature. 10th. Mérida. The vibrant capital of the Yucatán state, Mérida is a cultural gem that blends Mayan and colonial influences. Stroll through its picturesque streets, lined with colorful buildings and lively plazas. The city's museums, like the Gran Museo del Mundo Maya, offer deep insights into the region's history. Mérida's proximity to Mayan ruins like Uxmal and natural wonders like cenotes makes it an excellent base for exploration. With its welcoming atmosphere and rich cultural offerings, Mérida is a city that leaves a lasting impression. From its bustling cities to its tranquil beaches and ancient ruins, Mexico is a country of infinite diversity and charm. Whether you're exploring vibrant markets, relaxing by turquoise waters, or delving into centuries-old history, every corner of Mexico offers a unique experience. So, which destination will you visit first?